Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where I give insights on side hustle, freelancing, work from home and business opportunities. Thanks for all who have subscribed to my channel, and I hope by now you have all signed up for a Fiverr account and at least activate 1 gig. Well, this year my mantra is let's get this money in 2023. So I'm going to just say this all about. Let's get this money 2023. Well, tonight I'm going to show you how you can use a trending AI tool that is out there now to, to write Amazon product listings. Very easy. So you don't need any skill to do that. And as you see, this person have 302 reviews, 664, but that means this is a very good niche to do the product listing for Amazon. This person 24, this person have 122 review. And review doesn't mean that maybe they have more jobs, but persons not everybody leave a review. This persons have 902 review. So I'm going to look on this one. So I hope you are taking the leap of faith for 2023, and let's get this money in 2023. You can either supplement your 9-to-5 job, or you want to work freelancing as a full-time job. It's up to you. Alright, for this product description for Amazon, I will compose SEO Amazon product listing and description. For a $5 package, basic package, SEO optimized title for ranking, special formatting, well researched. That's a $5. A standard package, SEO optimized title for ranking, special formatting and well researched. And for the $15 package as a premium, it gives SEO optimized title, special formatting and well researched. So this is what you can do, and I'm going to show you the tool that you can use to get this job done without any special skills. Okay, so I'm going on Amazon now and show you what like product listings are. Alright, this one is like an Amazon Fire TV that the customer will tell you what they want the product listing for. So that the customer will write Amazon Fire TV 43-inch. And I showed it was a freelancer from either Fiverr or another website that did this description. So it bring movies and show movie live, shows live with support. I'm going to show the tool and see how the comparison that tool with this description gives. Okay. Alright, the tool that we're talking about, the name of this tool is ChatGPT. ChatGPT, but you have to access it from open platform .opennia.com. So when you go here, you go and sign up for it, and it will take you to this page. With this tool, you can ask it any question, anything you want to ask it. You just type out what you want. I'm going to type in, let me get the name of this the name of this. I can put it in without. I'm going to write for it to give me, because you have to give it prompts what to do. Right? Right? 5 bullets, because Amazon you need 5 bullet points to make up the description. 5 bullets. listing for I'm going to paste in what I want it to do. 5 bullet product listing, 5 bullet listings for Amazon. Now all you do, see what I write? I write 5 bullet listing for Amazon, and I put in what the product. So you'll put in the name of the product that the customers give you here. And you just press submit. And see it's writing it out for me. Just writing out, I don't have to tell it anything. So the product listing, enjoy true to life for HD quality with over 8 million pixels for stunning clarity, deep contrast, and vivid colors. Stream from thousands of movie and TV episodes from apps like Prime Video, Hulu, Netflix, and more. Let me see what is showing on Amazon. Basically, bring movies that basically the same thing. So when you basically stream over 1 million Netflix and Prime Video. Alright, I get this now. What I can do now is press this button, generate more. So it will generate and fix it up back in a better format for me. So with this it say 4G screen that access over 500,000 movies and TV episodes. Built-in Alexa voice control to easily search for content. Streamline TV without cable with Fire TV recast. Connects to Fire TV. So you can do both of them. You could do the first one and because you just type, put it on, copy it onto a Word document. So you can always go back and regenerate. And it's typing it out back for you. Regenerate things. You can. So when you have this job now, you have this information. You paste this on a Microsoft document. You can just come back to Fiverr and you just send it off to the client because the client and you just easy because you can even start a gig with $5. It will give you the keyword and everything. So you just come to this platform at opennai.com. I'm gonna leave it in the description for you can work anything you want to put about. I can even you don't have to be about it. I could maybe write bullet points for let me delete this for like oyster blender. And so press submit. One minute, let's see what is happening. Refreshing it back. So you can come here and write. So write 5 bullet listing for oyster blender. So it's giving me powerful motor. Oyster blenders come with a powerful motor that can easily blend hard ingredients such as nuts and seeds. So you see you can come here. It is a trending AI tool, ChatGPT, and you have to get it through the openna.com for you to access it. Because you have to go through some stages, verify your email address before you reach at this playground. But I think they give it for free now, but eventually they will charge. I think they have a charge, but they give you for about 3 months free now, but we will charge you after you pay use up the free offer that they give. So you see, once you can do bullet points, you can write anything. So you can use this tool to do any. You can do Amazon listing. You can do anything with this tool. So I say just go on openai.com to access the ChatGPT AI tool. Very good tool. It can give you production, give you anything you want. Just type it in and it will give you search the internet with and it will give you all the information that you need. And if you want alright, for instance, you don't want to use what this give you. There's a tool also what I use to paraphrase. This tool is called quillbot.com. That if you don't want to use, like I maybe when you put it in, everybody gonna use the same thing. So you can let Quillbot change it, rephrase it for you. So I just paste it in, and paraphrase it. So Quillbot will change it for me. So in everything you can just use quillbot.com to paraphrase description. If you're even on Fiverr, you want to use other sellers like the gig description, just type it in here and paraphrase it until paraphrase it different from what they have. So two tools I show you tonight. The ChatGPT.com is an open AI tool, very trending. Alright, so see paraphrase the format here. Strong motor. Oyster Blender have a strong motor that makes it simple to mix tough items like nut and seed. And the original one was Oyster Blenders come with a powerful motor. So if you're even using person's content, you just come to quillbot.com and the rephrase it for you without the big, because you know people, if you put things, people can try it for parallelism. You don't need that. You need to like even if you're using this person description, you just copy it and put it in Quillbot and change it. So you can come on Fiverr and make some decent money just by using this tool. So I'm going to put the description of this tool in here and the description of this one there. So you can go and paraphrase any one description, any one gig, and just make some money. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe.